It's almost game time, and this is a great idea for those food munchies and tailgate parties. Tonight, I'm going to show you how I make my taco pockets. By the way, what team are you rooting for? Leave a comment below. I saw these novelty El Paso Tortilla pockets and thought they were really cute and had to give them a try. First, I'm making my taco meat mixture. I have 1 pound of ground beef that I'm cooking and chopping over medium heat. This is an 80-20 blend, so I'm draining off the excess fat. I'm adding in 1 small diced onion and 3/4 of a cup of diced red bell pepper. This is 1 large, finely diced, seeded jalapeno, and this is optional. We like a little heat, and we also like the jalapeno flavor. I want to put as much flavor and punch into these pockets as I can. A pinch of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. More flavor going in with 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. Giving that a stir, and next are some seasonings. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of your favorite taco seasoning, 1½ teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 3 tablespoons of salsa to bring it all together. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Give it a taste for any more seasonings and remove the taco mixture from the heat. And the fun part. I zap these tortilla pockets in the microwave for about 7 to 8 seconds just to soften them. You can also heat these in the oven. First, I like to put a little bit of cheese on the bottom. That's always a nice last bite. Scoops of the taco meat, and don't be chintzy. Before you get to the top, add any lettuce or more cheese. Another scoop of meat on top, and then garnish with cheese, tomatoes, onions, avocados, sour cream, or anything that you like. Maybe have like a buffet set up and everyone can add what they like. I'm drizzling with a little taco sauce and serving on a bed of tortilla chips and a side of lime. We had a lot of fun with these taco pockets. So many ideas. I might have to make some breakfast pockets next time. I hope you add my taco pocket recipe to your game day menu and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.